أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إن الذين قالوا ربنا الله ثم استقاموا تتنزل عليهم الملائكة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة التي كنتم توعدون نحن أولياؤكم في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة ولكم فيها ما تشتهي أنفسكم ولكم فيها ما تدعون نزلا من غفور رحيم ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين ولا تستوي الحسنة ولا السيئة ادفع بالتي هي أحسن فإذا الذي بينك وبينه عداوة كأنه ولي حميم وما يلقاها إلا الذين صبروا وما يلقاها إلا ذو حظ عظيم وإما ينزغنك من الشيطان نزغ فاستعذ بالله إنه هو السميع العليم صدق الله مولانا العظيم.
Ya, udah selesai.
Okay.
Umar.
How are you?
Very well.
So Umar, hi.
See you. Nice to meet you.
Let's take a seat.
Thank you.
So, sorry, where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Seville, from the south of Spain.
Spain.
Spain, yes.
Ya dia datang dari Spanyol. And I heard that you're not coming here alone, but you bring two friends with you.
Yes, they're coming with me. They're somewhere here. They're
Okay.
somewhere around.
Oh. Let's invite them. Okay. What's
Please.
their name?
Umar.
No, what's their name?
Ibrahim,
Ibrahim.
and Mohsin.
And
Mohsin.
Motion. Okay. This is Ibrahim and Motion.
Halo.
How are you?
Halo.
Hi, how are you? So this is Luis, Mushin, and Umar, and I heard that you're coming from Spain.
Yes.
Yes. May I know why you're coming to Indonesia?
Yes, this is actually the first time that we come to Indonesia.
First time to come to Indonesia?
Yes. We are here, in fact, we traveled to Kuala Lumpur. I'm from Kuala Lumpur, we came to Indonesia. The purpose of the trip is because we want to build a mosque, Islamic Cultural Center, and a Awqaf in the city of Seville, in the south of Spain.
Okay. And you're coming to Indonesia for?
Basically to gather support and funds to build this mosque in the city of
Oke,
Seville.
jadi mereka ini I have to translate it to them.
Absolutely.
Jadi datang ke sini karena mereka lagi membangun masjid di Spanyol.
Nah, itu benar.
Nah, mereka butuh dukungan dari orang Indonesia. Oke. So, why you need it? I mean, what happens there? So you need to go here and.
Well, the main reason is because this will be the first mosque built in Seville after 700 years.
The first mosque.
Yes, there is no mosques.
Oke, jadi selama 700 tahun sudah 700 tahun itu tidak ada namanya masjid di sana. Okay, but what is the population? I mean, are there a lot of Muslims over there?
There's a lot. There's a growing Muslim population of both immigration, which is the majority, and like us, Spanish Muslims. The three of us are second generation Spanish Muslims. So our parents became Muslim. We were born into Islam. In my family, there's in fact 4 generations: my grandmother, my mother, myself, and my 2 daughters. It is a very growing Muslim population. And if you look back in the 1970s, there was no Muslims whatsoever.
On the 1970s?
Yes. After the death of dictator Franco, A lot of immigration came into Spain, and then there was a revolution of spirituality and intellectual revolution where loads of people were interested and felt interested about the Deen and became Muslim. And still today, there's loads of people that are accepting the Deen.
Oke, jadi sekarang tuh banyak sekali orang-orang Muslim yang hidup di sana, tapi tidak ada masjid. So basically they don't have a mosque over there.
No.
Okay, and you're gonna build the first mosque over there.
Inshallah.
Okay, so
Mas Dede, aku dong yang nanya. Yes.
kita bisa bantunya dalam bentuk apa?
Okay. What we can help you?
How can you help us?
Yeah, you understand. You're the first person who understand.
Yes, I'm Spanish.
Mas Dede bikin aku malu ih.
Ini orang pertama bintang tamu hitam putih ngerti kamu ngomong Inggris tuh cuma dia. He is so amazing, man. Nobody understand, he understand.
Thank you.
Okay.
But I'm sorry ya, too much jokes ya.
Okay.
Jangan baper lah.
Yes.
Oke, come on.
Basically, it's our first trip. It's actually our first day.
First day in
First day in Indonesia.
Hari pertama nih di Indonesia.
Indonesians have welcomed us very well. Mosquitoes too.
Mosquitoes tuh.
Nyamuk juga, aku ngerti. Nyamuk-nyamuknya juga.
And well, we want to make kind of awareness of people that we as Muslim brothers in Spain, we are struggling to get a mosque in our city, and at the moment it's enough just to let people know that we are here and we are raising funds for this noble cause.
Oke, I understand that. Jadi mereka datang ke sini ini hari pertama ya di Indonesia, disambut oleh masyarakat Indonesia dengan baik dan nyamuk-nyamuk yang ada di Indonesia. Mereka belum ketemu cabai-cabian di Indonesia ya. Nah ini mereka datang untuk meminta bantuan karena mereka susah untuk membangun masjid di Seville-nya sendiri. Dalam bentuk juga penggalangan dana. You say that you're really struggling to build a mosque.
Yes.
Why?
Well, because you might think we live in Europe and it's such a developed...
That's what I thought. Yes.
That's what you thought. And it's not actually like that. The Muslims are a minority, and most of the Muslims in Spain have very little income. And the government doesn't support, doesn't help with the building of any mosque or any religious building.
But the government, jadi Muslim di sana tuh sangat dikit, income-nya juga dikit. But the governments, they're okay with it. I mean,
They are okay.
they have no problem for you to build a mosque.
Of course, if you pay, no problem.
Okay.
As any government.
Gak ngerti. Kan ketawa. Kesannya.
Mau ngomong apa dia?
Gini, dia bilang gini, kalau nggak apa-apa ngebangun masjid di sana, nggak apa-apa. Kalau dia bayar juga nggak apa-apa.
Siapa yang bayar?
Karena iya nggak sih gitu? Pay kan?
Kurang lebih begitu.
Tuh, kurang lebih gitu.
Tapi banyak kurangnya, Rey.
Balik tuh bos.
Tuh, emang tadi ketawa apa sih? Biar ngerti aja jadi aku ketawa, ya udah translate-nya.
Ya oke, jadi kalau pemerintahnya boleh bangun masjid.
Tuh benar
boleh.
aku ngomong.
Tapi ya dananya yang tidak ada untuk bangun masjid itu dananya. Oke, so how much you need for that?
Well, the actual plot of land is cost 9 million euros, and the construction is
9
another
million
8.
euros?
Yes, it's
Okay.
actually very, very cheap. And the reason why it's so cheap is because it's right in the center of town, and it's a plot of land that can only be used for Islamic Cultural Center or mosque or sports center or clinic or something like that. That's for benefit of the community around it.
Okay, so you need 9 million euros to build the mosque.
We need 8 now because we received $1 million from the government of Malaysia, who very generously donated last year during Ramadan, and there has been some other smaller donations from other organizations as well.
Oke, jadi udah terkumpul 1 juta euro dari pemerintah Malaysia dan lain-lainnya, jadi mereka butuh 8 juta euro. And when you come to Indonesia, what you do? I mean, how you collect all the money?
Basically, we just arrived today, and this trip has been organized by a dear friend, Ibrahim Khaluli Rahman, from all the way from Seville. He's an Indonesian who works for the European Union in Seville, and he knew that we were coming to Kuala Lumpur, where we have quite a lot of contacts, and he suggested that we should come here, stay with his family, and present the project and create the awareness to see if people wanted to support this cause.
I see. Did you go to the government already?
We haven't, no. We
Oh,
haven't.
jadi mereka belum ke pemerintah Indonesia ya. But is it the plan to go to the governments?
If they are open to it, absolutely, yes, why not?
Oke, oke. Jadi mereka memang rencananya mau ke pemerintahan kita juga, pemerintahan juga. So this is basically an awareness. So what can we, if people here, let's say that they want to help you for the financials, what can they do? Caranya gimana nih untuk bisa nyumbang mereka nih? Caranya gimana?
They can do it directly through the website. There's a donation button there.
Can you say the
The website is Mezquita de Sevilla. I don't know if you're gonna get the spelling right.
We're gonna write it down.
Yes,
We're gonna write it down.
mezquitadesevilla.com.
Okay.
Otherwise, we also have a meeting tomorrow with NGO, which will hopefully do a memorandum of agreement where all the funds from Indonesia can go through them because it's safer and it's better for everyone.
Okay, okay. So, have you go to the other country for this?
Excuse me?
Have you gone to the other country for this?
Yes, we have gone to Emirates where we actually stopping by on the way back.
To where?
Emirates. But
Okay.
one of the reasons why we've been so persistent on Malaysia and Indonesia is because you are, as majority Muslim countries, an example for us in Europe of moderate Islam. Not because they have moderated Islam, but because Islam is moderate. So we want to go away from this whole issues about terrorism and things that have absolutely nothing to do
Nothing
with
to
the
do
Muslims or
with the
Islam.
Muslims, yeah.
And we, as European Muslims, are privileged to be able to portray that image and to make dawah to people and explain to them what Islam truly is.
Okay, so you've been go to Emirates also.
Yes, we do.
You got the financial help? From them?
We've got some people very interested in helping, yes.
Oke, jadi udah pergi kemana-mana dan dapat bantuan juga. Kamu tanya tuh.
What you profesi before you the gabung with the yayasan? Do you understand what I mean? If you don't understand, you can ask.
I translate for you.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother.
What you used to do before you start to engage
Wait.
this?
How the hell you understand that? No, really? How could you understand that?
By the eyes.
The eyes.
I heard you are a magician.
Yes,
So,
you read minds.
of course.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Tuh. Dia ngerti, kenapa
Wow.
Mas Dedi nggak ngerti?
That's impossible.
Berarti keren, bisa beberapa language.
Yeah. I
Okay.
barely understand what you say. But okay. Yes. Actually, that's right.
Yes. So I did many things before, but I guess you're referring to modeling, which I did for 7 years while I was in Cape Town and also traveled throughout Europe.
Oke, terangin.
Model ya?
Hah?
Model.
Iya, model.
Model? Ceprek, cekrek gitu.
More or less, yes.
7 tahun yang lalu.
Keluar rumah cepret, Udin nggak like this.
7 tahun yang lalu.
7 tahun yang lalu dia hobinya model, foto-foto. Yuk, selfie, narsis. Oh, nih.
Oh no, where you take that from?
Tuh.
Model. Waktu masih muda tuh kayaknya.
Oh, 7 tahun yang lalu masih muda ya.
Oke. Itu kalau Ibrahim. Kalau
Ayo, siapa?
kalau Umar. Umar yang pertama kali, Mr. Umar.
How about you, Mr. Umar?
Sejak kapan dia hafal hafiz Quran?
Oh, sejak ya? Science when? Since when?
Since when?
2005.
2005.
What is the questions?
I don't know.
Dia nggak tahu tapi dia jawab 2005.
Yeah. Since when? Jadi
Since
dia
when?
learning Quran. Tanya lah.
You hafiz Al-Quran?
Yes, I actually never finished, but I learned 20 juz.
Since
2005.
Oh benar, that's right.
Oh, benar.
2005. Yeah, yeah. They're all amazing. They understand what you say, ya.
Iya, thank you.
Luar biasa. Loh. Kalau yang terakhir. Jadi apa sebelumnya?
Sampai.
Udah punya keluarga, udah punya anak
Oke.
belum?
My bro.
Okay, I know what you're gonna ask.
You start to scare me, okay? You start to scare me. Ini menyeramkan orang-orang
Iya
ini.
sih.
Ya, oke.
You
Mr.
know,
Mushin.
okay, you know what I want to asking you?
Yes, of course.
What?
If I am entrepreneur, yeah? If I am doing any business or anything like that, yeah? Is it more or less?
Iya sih, udah kejawab ya.
Iya.
Yes. But I ask you
Another question.
another question ya.
Okay.
Mr. Muhsin,
Yes.
Umur berapa ya?
how old are you?
How old?
Old? Age?
I'm 34 years old.
Excuse me, sorry.
34.
34.
34.
1, 2, 3.
34.
34. 1, 2, 3, 4. 34.
Yeah.
34. Still young ya?
Still young, yes. Depends for what.
You have children? Kids?
Not yet. In few months, my first one.
Oh, jadi dia ninggalin
Insyaallah.
istrinya dong gitu.
Also you leave your diam istri apa ya, bentar, your wife.
Yes.
Oh, so your wife is so sad.
Yeah, most probably she is. Yes, but she knows I'm doing something good for the Muslims, so she's not. I'm not on holidays, having fun or anything like that, so she's not that worried.
Your wife in Spanyol?
No, she's in Belgium.
Oh, why
Belgium.
you don't bring her to there to kesini?
Next time I'll bring her.
Bener ya?
Yes, I will. I will.
Oke baik, saya break dulu ya karena udah mulai sakit kepala ini ya. Kita lanjut lagi, saya Hatu ini jangan mana-mana, tetap di Hitam Putih. Basically you say a Muslim is not allowed to do suicide.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oke, jadi ISIS itu nggak ada hubungannya sama Islam menurut mereka karena bunuh diri aja dilarang di agama Islam, bunuh diri saja dilarang.